Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. Not every task deserves the same model. A quick rename wants speed, while a tricky refactor wants deep reasoning. In this lesson, we look at how antigravity lets you switch the reasoning model right in the middle of a session, and how to pick one at launch too. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in an active session. Let's see which models are available, then swap the one we're using without ever restarting. Before we switch, let's see what's on offer. From the shell, AG Models lists every reasoning model you can use so you know your options before you pick. Each one trades reasoning depth against speed and cost. Now, inside a running session, the model command opens a picker right there in the terminal. You don't restart, you don't lose your context. You just choose a different model and keep going from exactly where you were. Watch this. We select a deeper reasoning model for a gnarly piece of logic, confirm it, and the switch takes effect immediately for the very next turn of the conversation. And there it is. The active model always shows in the status line at the bottom, so at a glance you can confirm which brain is answering you right now with no guessing. You can also decide up front. Passing the model flag at launch sets which model a session starts with, so if a job clearly needs speed or clearly needs depth, you choose before the first prompt even runs. Here's what to keep from this lesson. From the shell, AG Models lists the available reasoning models so you can see your options first. Inside a session, the model command opens a picker to switch models mid-flight, no restart and no lost context. The active model shows in the status line, and the model flag sets it at launch for the whole session. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 4, where the permissions command sets how much the agent can do without asking.